Looking for the perfect chaffle recipe? Well, in this video, I bring you the step-by-step directions on perfecting keto chaffles. You don't want to miss this. Hey gang, I'm Shelly. I'm a keto and anti-inflammatory dietitian, clinic owner, busy mom of two, penny pincher, and I'm super passionate about bringing the keto, low carb, and anti-inflammatory lifestyle to individuals, moms, and entrepreneurs without busting your time, budget, or waistline while keeping your family happy and healthy. And welcome to the KLA Kitchen, where we go over easy recipes, product reviews, and money-saving tips that will help you lose weight, decrease your blood sugar, balance your hormones, eliminate pain and migraines. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I love waffles, but in the KLA Kitchen, it is chaffles. Cheese, waffles equals chaffles. This is a crazy easy recipe. And of course we have our waffle iron already fired up, ready to go. Now I'm using a basic waffle iron. You can look in the description, click the links for the ones I have. There are specific chaffle irons and the timing is gonna be a little different on cooking. We have a cup of our shredded cheese. I am using cheddar, 2 eggs. We're gonna mix this up together, pour it in our waffle iron, and cook it approximately 6 minutes. In chaffle irons, it's gonna be a little bit shorter, around that 2 to 3 minute mark. Get a load of our money shot. These chaffles look just like waffles. Love to cook mine a little bit longer than what you'll see on most blog posts because I love a crunch. And remember gang, these don't have any flour. Now be careful as you're removing these. We're gonna put it right here. And now it is time, oh, do you see how crunchy that is? Now it is time to taste these. We have to make sure that these are absolutely fantastic. So I'm just gonna use my fingers. I'm gonna break it apart. It's pretty hot, it's pretty hot. There's a crunch, it's amazing. There's virtually no carbs in this because there's no flour. You need to make this recipe. For a copy of this recipe, be sure to scroll into our description box below. You can click the link, it'll be delivered straight to your email. And gang, if you love this video, be sure to give it a like and tag someone you know in your life who loves waffles. I'm Shelly gang in the KLA Kitchen. I wish you a lovely day. Thanks friends.